How does the spleen process red blood cells? Imagine a busy factory where quality control is key. The spleen acts like that factory for your red blood cells. It plays a vital role in ensuring that only healthy red blood cells circulate in your body. Let's break down how this process works. The spleen has two main areas, the white pulp and the red pulp. The white pulp is where immune responses happen, while the red pulp serves as a filtration system for blood. When blood flows into the red pulp, it moves slowly through a network called the splenic cords. This area is packed with macrophages, which are immune cells that specialize in identifying and engulfing damaged or old red blood cells. Healthy red blood cells are flexible and have a unique biconcave shape. This allows them to easily pass through the splenic cords and enter the venous sinuses. However, as red blood cells age, they lose their flexibility and may become misshapen. This is where the spleen's filtration system comes into play. The interendothelial slits are tiny gaps between the cells lining the splenic sinuses. These slits are about 1 to 2 micrometers wide, much smaller than the diameter of a typical red blood cell, which is about 8 micrometers. Because of this, older or damaged red blood cells struggle to squeeze through these narrow openings and often get trapped in the red pulp. Once trapped, macrophages spring into action. They recognize the senescent or abnormal red blood cells and remove them through a process called phagocytosis. This means the macrophage engulfs and digests the red blood cell, preventing any dysfunctional cells from circulating in the bloodstream. This is essential for maintaining good oxygen delivery and preventing blockages in blood vessels. Macrophages also recycle iron from the breakdown of hemoglobin found in red blood cells. This iron can be stored within the macrophages or sent back into the bloodstream, where it is bound to a protein called ferritin. This process makes iron available for the production of new red blood cells. Additionally, the spleen helps in the maturation of young red blood cells, known as reticulocytes. As these cells pass through the interendothelial slits, the spleen removes any leftover particles and excess membrane. This pitting process helps them achieve their mature shape and function. In essence, the spleen serves as a quality control center for red blood cells. It filters out defective or aged cells, remodels immature cells, and recycles important components like iron. This ensures that your blood remains healthy and supports your immune system effectively.